What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I just stole the Stradman's intro, but he's never gonna watch this, so it doesn't really matter. I got another front lip, but that is not today's video. That's not gonna be every video, because I promise you, I could probably have 13, 14 videos of me just installing lips. And I don't think you guys would appreciate that after probably the third one. Today's premise of the video, I'm actually gonna be doing a few things on the Lexus, because you guys have been asking questions about, where's the Lexus videos? Well, this is gonna be a Lexus video. First, I have to go over to Home Depot and pick up some supplies for another video. And I'm actually gonna take the WRX today, since the sun has indeed come out for the first time in forever. By the way, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna head out to the WRX, get it started, and yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I get back out there. Yeah, so today, I'm gonna shift gears because you're probably not gonna be able to hear me unless I'm yelling. We're gonna be working on the Lexus. We're gonna be taking out the dash. I say we, it's literally just me. But I'm gonna be taking out the dash. I'm gonna be fixing the biggest problem that is with Lexuses, and that's the whole sticky dash. If you've ever heard of an IS300 or even thought about getting one, you've probably heard about the whole sticky dash problem. So today I'm going to essentially fix that. So it requires taking the dash out and doing a whole bunch of things. Hopefully my transmission doesn't blow up. It feels like it's about to blow up. It might blow up. There's a solid chance it might blow up. All right, made it to Home Depot. I'm gonna run in, grab some supplies, and yeah. All right, so they didn't have it. I'm gonna go head over to another Home Depot. I've got a 20-minute drive. Some dude just waved at me from an Amazon van. If that was you waving from the Amazon van. Ow. Made it to the second Home Depot. All right, got the wood flooring, got the adhesive remover for the Lexus. Time to head back home. Man, it is cold. Oh no, I'm not gonna have good lighting. So what we're doing today is we're fixing this terrible dash. These dashes have a problem with being quote unquote sticky dashes. What that means is, as you can see, all right, you see how there's like a bit of residue left over right there, and it's like almost looks like it got like ripped off or something. Below, this is the dash without the sticky stuff on it, and above is with the sticky stuff on it. So I need to remove the dash and then basically remove all of this adhesive crap that's on it. And I have adhesive remover, so hopefully it'll work. And then I gotta remove the center console. I gotta remove a lot of things, and I haven't really done many big things on this car yet, so this is probably gonna be one of the bigger things I've done so far. It should be fun. Then I can start to respray it, and then I'll probably let it sit overnight and then install it tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna start taking out the dash. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. 3:23 right now. Hopefully it's not like 8 o'clock and I'm like, oh, I just got the, cluster off. I'd cry. All right, so first I need to unplug the battery. I thought that was gonna make a really cool sound, like an ASMR little dunk. Here, I'll give you the ASMR right now. How am I supposed to get the hood prop down with my hand holding? Got it. There's a bunch of wires and airbags and all sorts of lovely stuff that I didn't have to deal with in my WRX because they didn't care about safety back in 2002. They just cared about making a fun car to drive. Rest in peace, everything that's 2015 and up. This is what we're gonna do, okay? I'm gonna close this door because it's cold. I have the window down and the battery's disconnected. God damn it. Sort of see me. You ain't gonna be able to see. Who put that there? You ain't gonna be able to see much of what I'm doing. So you might just be staring at me, honestly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That was easy. You know you're white when this song starts playing. 420. All right, so I'm editing this video right now, and I'm about 5 minutes in or so, give or take. And I realized that when I started editing it, I have like 3 or 4 hours of me just taking this entire car apart. I wouldn't want to watch that, so I don't think you would want to watch that. So I'm just gonna kind of like just throw in random moments of me being an idiot by myself, and then skip to the part where I am driving my car without a dash, because I think that's way more entertaining than watching me take a car apart in a very unlit situation, and it's not even a car that you likely even own or care to even watch me take apart. So yeah, you're welcome. Am I gonna break something? Oh, that did not sound good. Gotta replace that, or gotta take out that 10mm nut right there. Perfect, just line it on up. There we go. There we go. Just look at that, with ease. Guessing you take this out. Oh. Uh-oh. Add that to the list. Alright, so I really couldn't show you on camera because I had to use a forklift to get this damn thing out, but it looks like it is almost out. So I did all of that so I can get that one screw out right there. That one lovely screw. One screw. I did all of that for one screw. It's like 2 hours later now. Hopefully it's not like 8 o'clock and I'm like, oh, I just got the, you know, cluster off. Oh boy. Oof. Oh. Wait. That's not enough. All right, let's try that again. Okay? Try that again. I think this one's gonna work. Oh, come on. Really? Okay, you know what? Oh, god dang it, I'm on the wrong side. That's much better. You think I'll have a check engine light if I try to turn on the car right now? You can see a lot better in this light now. All of these spots, right here, right there, all around that, all around this, and then same with over here. They all have like this like adhesive crap on it. I don't even know. All right, so sadly, this isn't gonna work. Sadly, this stuff is whack. It's kind of good. If I sat here for about 3 days, I could probably get it. Tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up early, go to O'Reilly's, get some 3M, I'm not British, 3M adhesive cleaner, remover, whatever the heck it is. So yeah, I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. See you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I have to go and pick that up from O'Reilly's, so it looks like I'm gonna have to drive the Lexus with no dash. I looked it up and it said that it would be perfectly fine to do. That's a lie. I couldn't find anything on it for some odd reason. All right. This is probably one of the most stupidest things I'm gonna have ever done. I really hope the windshield doesn't fog up because it might kind of suck. Because for whatever reason, I can't turn on the heater. Like it broke. If anybody can let me know down below what's wrong with my heater, I don't know what happened to it. I took it out and now it just doesn't work. Yeah, and I really hope these don't just like explode or something, because that would kind of hurt. Wish me luck. I'm kind of pissed. I just connected my Bluetooth and it just like stopped working. On the upside, I figured out a good way to turn off your check engine light. Just take the freaking cluster out and you will never have a check engine light ever again. So then when you go to sell your car, dude, I'm a genius. My genius knows no bounds. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. There it is. Made it to O'Reilly's. Low key, kind of clean Audi. All right. Of course, this store doesn't have it, but the other store has it, which is like 10 miles away. So I get to go drive with no dash. That far. God damn it. Every single time I try to do anything. All right. At least there's no check engine light. Oh. Bruh. I can't even have Waze. All right. Made it to the second O'Reilly's. They should have it. Hopefully. All right. Finally. 45 minutes later. And we got what I need. All right. Made it home. Now we can finally start stripping down all the sticky crap off the dash. All right, it has been about 2 hours and I have done that. I've done here, here, here. So it's been like another 2 hours. And as you can see by the selections of sprays and grinders and wire brushes, it's not been a fun 2 hours, but it is nearly done, as you can see. And then on this side, you can finally clean it off and get it ready for paint. All right, time for the first coat. Wish me luck. Painted that, painted all that, painted all of this. And it's looking really good. This camera isn't gonna do it justice, but it actually looks really, really good. I'm actually gonna pick this up tomorrow morning. I'm gonna let it dry overnight because I don't wanna risk scratching it, putting it into the car, especially since I just started spray painting it and it's like 30 degrees out, so it's not gonna dry for a while. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's the morning now, and these came out so good. And that satin finish, it just looks so good. It doesn't look like somebody just put a ton of protectant on it or something like that. It just looks the part. Anyways, yes, cinematics. It looks really good. It looks really good. I did scuff the corner, and I probably scuffed it on that side too. Honestly, I don't really care. It's still a lot better than it was before. Now time to put it all back together. Not looking forward to it. By the way, if you ever do something like this, tape up your steering wheel because you will rub against it and it'll chip your steering wheel. You don't want that. All right, 4 hours later, the dash for the most part is in. Well, I haven't done this section, just don't even look down. Just don't. From here up, looks like it's complete, even though there's no glove box, but you can't tell because the load light on this camera is terrible. Oh yeah, and I also broke this. That's good. I can't put it in the hole anymore. Sad days. But yeah, that's pretty much it right here. You should start hearing EDM music slowly fade into the video right now because it's coming to the end. But I appreciate you guys for watching. As always, go follow me on Instagram at JoshShoeBrew. You know the drill. Link down below to my Instagram in case you're too lazy to type it out. But I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit all those things, or don't. Just do whatever the heck you want. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace, guys.